How I made rupees 50,000 through my online journey. Until I started this, I never believed in online earning. On Instagram, everyone says that I made rupees 10,000 or rupees 20,000 in a single day, and even more than 1 lakh rupees in just 1 week. I always wondered, is it really possible in India? Because we know how corporate companies work. We work from 9 to 5 and earn only rupees 20,000 or 30,000 for the entire month. So I kept asking myself, how can BizGurukul change someone's life in just 1 year? To find the answer and understand how people are actually making money online, I enrolled in this platform. And today, I can proudly say that I feel blessed and I started this. Now, I know exactly how this works, so please watch this video completely. This is Poonam Shelar, and if you are an Indian with a valid Indian identity, you can work from anywhere. All you need is a smartphone and an internet connection. I have one small request, please watch this video till the end without skipping. I know 90% of people will skip this video because it's not a movie or a web series. But the remaining 10%, those who are serious about their future, those who have goals in their life, housewife who want to support their husband, students who want to build their careers, they will definitely watch till the end. Today, I am talking only to those 10%. Let's get started. First, let me clear your major doubt. Doubt 1, who can work here? Anyone between the age of 15 and 50 years can work on this platform. Whether you are a housewife, a job holder or a student, you can work here by dedicating just 2 hours a day. All you need is a smartphone with an internet connection. Doubt number 2, I have never earned online. I don't have any skill or experience. Don't worry, you don't need any prior skill or knowledge. That's exactly why you are here, to learn everything from scratch. You don't need any experience to get started. Doubt number 3, I don't have followers on Instagram. This is one of the biggest myth. You do not need followers to start working on this platform. Doubt number 4, I don't have time. Maybe you are a housewife taking care of your children. Maybe you are a job holder. Maybe you are a student busy with college. Don't worry. In BizGurukul, you get both pre-recorded training and live training. You can watch the pre-recorded section whenever you have free time. Even if you miss a live section, the recorded version is uploaded the very next day, so you can learn according to your convenience. Doubt number 5, I don't want to show my face. I completely understand many women who come from conservative families where they are not comfortable showing their faces. Others may simply be shy in front of the camera. Don't worry. This opportunity is not dependent on showing your face. Whether you choose to create face videos or remain faceless, you can still learn valuable digital skills and explore different earning opportunities. Let me introduce myself before we move ahead. Hi, I am Poonam Shelar. I started this journey in 2025. I enrolled in BizGurukul to upskill myself, and I was able to create rupees 50,000 in results through this journey, even while raising 2 children. Can you imagine that as a mother, we have to give so much time to our children and we face many daily challenges. But this platform is flexible. Whenever my children were sleeping, I used to dedicate just 1 or 2 hours to learning and working. That consistency helped me achieve this result. If I can do this as a mom, just imagine what you can achieve by utilizing your free time. Today, I am here as a mentor, guiding many students under my personal mentorship. Is BizGurukul safe? When I first heard about BizGurukul, I verified everything because we all know how many online scams are happening these days. After doing many research, I found that BizGurukul is a registered company and operates as an educational platform. We are not doing network marketing, chain linking or MLM. Income here is not generated through those models. BizGurukul is a government registered company. You can check my income proof and update on my Instagram. If you want to understand how the income works and verify my journey, you can check my Instagram highlights and post. First, let me clear one important thing. Before I talk about BizGurukul, I want to clear one important thing. This is not a get-rich-quick scheme where you enroll today and start earning tomorrow. No, if you are ready to learn, put in consistent effort and follow the training, then you can work towards achieving result. When I say effort, I don't mean working for 10 hours every day. Just dedicate 1 or 2 hours daily with consistency and keep learning and implementing. Results can vary from person to person. What is BizGurukul? BizGurukul is an educational technology platform where you can learn digital skills and explore earning opportunities. It provides access to 47 plus digital skills through structured courses. If you're thinking, I don't have any skills or knowledge, don't worry. That's exactly why these courses are designed to help you learn everything from scratch. How can you earn? These are the 2 primary ways to earn through BizGurukul. Number 1, by learning digital skills. You can learn digital skills and use them to earn through freelancing or by starting your own business. Freelancing. If you are interested in freelancing, BizGurukul offers freelancing bundles and courses in skills such as content writing, copywriting, Google Ads, email marketing, Facebook and Meta ads, and many more. After learning these skills, you can offer your services to clients and earn as a project base or an hourly basis. The more projects you complete, the more you make potentially earn. You may now wonder, where will I get clients? Don't worry, BizGurukul also provides guidance on freelancing platforms and teaches you how to find clients through dedicated freelancing courses. Start your own business. If you have always wanted to build your own business, BizGurukul can help you with that too. You will learn how to create your online store, how to choose reliable vendors, how to connect with marketplaces like Amazon, how to build business through dropshipping, print on demand, Amazon FBA. These courses provide a roadmap to help you understand how does business model work, skill certification. Apart from learning and earning, start your own business. If you have always wanted to build your own business, BizGurukul can help you with that too. You will learn how to create your own online store, how to choose reliable vendors, how to connect with marketplaces like Amazon, Flipkart. Skill certification. Another advantage is that you receive certificate for the skill you complete. These certification can be added to your resume and may strengthen your profile when applying for jobs. Number 2, earn through the affiliate program. The second way to earn is through the affiliate program. You receive your own unique affiliate link. When someone purchases through your referrals, you can earn commission according to the program structure. You will also receive training on how to promote the platform. Whether you want to create content with your face or without showing your face, you can learn different contents and marketing strategies. Additional benefits are, apart from learning and earning, BizGurukul also offers additional incentives such as national and international trips based on eligibility and performance. Why investment is important? Many people ask, is this free? Think about it. We invest lakhs of rupees in schools and colleges to earn a degree, hoping to get a job. In many corporate jobs, the salary often starts around rupees 20,000 to rupees 30,000 per month. But if you are watching this video, chances are you are looking for opportunities to build valuable digital skills and create additional income. BizGurukul is designed to help people learn practical digital skills and explore earning opportunities through freelancing, businesses, or its affiliate programs. Results vary from person to person and depends on factors such as an effort, consistency, skills, and market demand. Why investing in skills matter? When you understand the potential of digital skill, investing in your own learning becomes much more meaningful because skill can stay with you for a long time. You can learn them, practice them, improve them, and use them in different ways. So think with a long-term perspective. Courses available in BizGurukul. The 3 major courses bundles are Business Mastery, Finance Mastery, Influence Mastery. Just one thing to remember, the package you choose determines the courses and benefits available to you under the applicable program structure. Business Mastery. The earning potential with Business Mastery can be up to rupees 1 lakh to rupees 1.5 lakh per month depending on your skills, efforts, consistency and results. The website price is rupees 37,999, but I have a special surprise for you. When you enroll through me, you will receive my special coupon code giving you a straight 11,000 discount. That means you will pay only rupees 26,999. Along with Business Mastery, you will also receive Finance Mastery and Influence Mastery absolutely free as per the applicable offer. Finance Mastery. The earning potential with Finance Mastery can be up to rupees 50,000 to 80,000 per month depending on your implementation and results. The website price is 25,999. With my special coupon code, you will pay only 18,999. Along with Finance Mastery, you will receive Influence Mastery absolutely free as per the applicable offer. Now comes Influence Mastery. If you are unable to enroll in Business Mastery or Finance Mastery, you can choose Influence Mastery, which is the most affordable option. The earning potential can be up to rupees 32,000 to 40,000 per month depending on your efforts and result. The website price is 19,999. With my special coupon code, you will get discount and pay only rupees 13,999. My personal mentorship. There is one more surprise for you. My personal mentorship is worth rupees 10,000. However, if you enroll through me in any of these 3 courses bundles, you will receive my mentorship absolutely free as per my current offer. This means you will only pay for the courses, not for my mentorship. I will personally guide you with my strategies, techniques, and step-by-step support to help you understand the process and building your digital skills. How to enroll? Whichever course you are interested in, simply send this course name to my WhatsApp number 8625907391. I will personally help you with the enrollment process. If you have any questions or need any clarification, please don't hesitate to ask. Just send me a message on WhatsApp and I will answer all your doubts. Please don't call directly as I won't be able to provide complete information over a call. Instead, send me a WhatsApp message. Also, once you have watched this video completely, reply with completed on WhatsApp. Thank you so much for watching. And if you are genuinely serious about learning digital skills and exploring online earning opportunities, send me your WhatsApp messages. I will personally guide you. Thank you.